Welcome to a new video.
Oh, but I really need to open it. Obviously, I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. I've never had one. I don't know how to do anything at all. So let's figure it out together, you and me, and see how it works. And who knows, you might get one too. But I'm really excited, so let's take it out of the package and see what we can do with it. From what I know, they're too complicated. Stay until the end of the video to see everything. And I didn't just get a printer, I also got a scanner. But let's take apart the printer. Well, let's put it together first, and then we'll move on to the scanner. Let's take it step by step. First things first, I really need to open this box, so let's take it out. See if she doesn't get mad. My mom. Because I didn't think it would be this big, it's way too big, and there's still more up here. Other things, the filaments. So wow, it's amazing. Wow. Like little kids with a new toy. And yeah, literally, it's a new toy. The use we're going to get out of this, huh? I want you to know that. Let's see if my mom doesn't scold me, since it's not at all aesthetic for the house. It's in the living room. We might move it later. But for now, let's read the instructions. Step 5, remove this. Wow, this is crazy. I can't believe I have this in my house. This is amazing, it's crazy. The quality is amazing, huh?
I can't believe it.
Now, look at this. He brings a little toolbox and some bits come out. I guess these bits are necessary. I'm telling you, the quality is amazing.
I swat a shoe like Berettas. Yeah, they're getting nervous. I saw it and you wouldn't believe what I saw. They say they want it, but I need it.
Friends, it's all set up now. Honestly, it was super easy to assemble. It was literally just taking out 4 screws, putting in 4 others, and that's it. Anyone can do it in under an hour. Now for the moment of truth, let's see what happens. Okay, I already did that. Clear is clear. I already read it. Yes, I read everything. Okay, the internet, let's see. Self-check. I'm not sure if I put the tip on or if it comes with another one. I think it does. Why is there one here? I'm not sure I was supposed to put this on. I don't think so. Well, nowhere did it say to put it on, and it looks like it already has one. Okay. Right now it's leveling itself, apparently. Well, after a couple of minutes for it to calibrate. Look, it has several options to start like a test. Let's do this logo. Well, yes, let's go for everything. I don't even know what I'm looking at, but let's go, print. I think it's going to change color because it already went back and it's there dumping all the residue. It's incredible. These things really exist and are impressive. Having one at home is wild. I mean, the technology they have. These, like, not so much anymore, obviously. The more time you spend looking at them, the more you get used to them. But it's ridiculous. I mean, it's impressive. Seriously, I've been watching it for 32 minutes straight without taking my eyes off it. It's crazy, really crazy. And the patterns it makes and everything. I mean, I don't know if it's pure programming or what, but it's just crazy. And the speed at which it does it, look at that. And it turns out great. I mean, perfect. And this was the final result. Please look at the detail. It has some hair. Nice job, Creality. Alright, I just dropped it. And well, it's really tough. Alright. It passed the waist-high drop test. I really can't believe it. You might say, the logo looks nice, but come on, do something cool already, right? What's up, brothers? Let's see what the drifters got. I think this is the first piece. For those who haven't seen the previous video, go check it out so you know what we're talking about. On the hydraulic handbrake, now we already installed the reservoir, but it's just kind of loose there, that's the reality. So I want to make a piece that bolts to the car and holds the reservoir perfectly in place. So it's something very simple. Honestly, I chose this piece because it's something very simple to start with, but I think it could turn out well. We have the caliper, we have a little sample of what I want, we have the screw we're going to use, we have a fork, we have the Creality logo, we have an iPad, we have a pen, and we're really eager for this to turn out well. This idea. So let's get started and let's see if we can print it, right? I think we can, or well, just so you get an idea. This is the little tab of the tank, and it's on this tab that I have to design the piece. So my piece has to have these same features. 15, 7 and 16 millimeters in height. So I think we can start there and later on we'll see how things go.
Shoes like Berettas. Yeah, they're getting nervous. I've seen things you wouldn't believe. They want it, but I need it.
That it's done now. Friends, the truth is that it's extremely simple. Here's what I did. If you recall this part that we have here in the notes. This is the little ear that we want to tie, so to speak. So what this little ear is going to do is go into this hole that we have here.
And on this side, it uses a little nut that we're going to use. I have it right here. We're going to use this screw with that nut.
So the little nut is going to go on this side, and the Allen screw is going to go on this side. And here, this piece is going to be fixed onto the car, which is basically a copy of this little piece I made. Well, this little piece we had, which is for a strap, but well, I adapted it. If you look, the little circle is the same as this one, so I'm going to put in the screw that this one has. It's basically the same size. It's essentially this, just slightly extruded. And with a through bolt. So this is what's going to hold the reservoir. So let's print it and see if it really turned out the way I planned. Now, brothers, it's time for the moment of truth. I already have my file in Creality Cloud, and I think we're going to try to print it. Let's do it. It seems really easy. I mean, obviously I still don't know about the temperatures or anything, but I guess with the standard settings, I hope it works. So let's hit print. There we have the preview. And now confirm 3-letter acronym. Yeah, okay. I have to select the material print. These things really blow my mind. It's telling me the bed temperature, the nozzle temperature, that the file is already ready. Come here, it's telling us how we're doing. 12%, 9 minutes left, seriously. If this works and fits perfectly in the car, I'll cry from excitement, seriously. It's something I've always wanted, and I can't believe I literally have one of the best on the market. I am printing my parts and hoping they work on the first try. I don't have many or high expectations, not because of the machine, but my modeling. Let's see how it went. How's it going? This tank is the one we were talking about yesterday. I put it here temporarily. If you haven't seen the handbrake video, check it out. It's very entertaining. But the piece I made is literally for it to go attached to the car, and this piece fits perfectly. So let's put it on. The first thing is, this is the little screw I checked yesterday with its nut. Let's see if it fits well, guys. There's my tripod. I need it, but there it is. It fit perfectly. Honestly, I didn't want it to go all the way in. It fit the same on the other side of the screw. That's basically it. Now this little screw goes here towards the car. Let's put it in. Let's install it right away. Come on, I'm nervous, huh? Nervous. I already made the little hole. There it is. And then in the tank. Nah, drifter. Look at that, for God's sake. What's impressive here is that everything is millimetric. What's perfect stays perfect. It's for this thing, it's for this thing. How much are you worth for this piece? We tighten it and it fits perfectly. Look, please. We designed that piece like this because it goes with this little mat here. There you can see the tank we just made. I just can't believe it. And that's how we finish the video, brothers. From the 3D printer, this truly marks the start of a new era. With it, we can create. From the smallest things like what we just made all the way to white body. If you want a spoiler, we'll make one for you. The Z comes later. I just can't believe it. Now, if you like this video, just wait until you see the Creality scanner and wait until you see the combination of both. That for sure is going to be something completely different, so stay tuned. The scanner, here it is, but we'll also make a video about it since it deserves more than one. And that's it, brothers. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.